Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 994 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this Ofra blush. It's in the shade Bellini and this is a product I got in my October 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box. I really like the brand Ofra, so I'm always excited to get an Ofra product in Ipsy. And it says that this is the full size that retails for $29. That seems very expensive to me for just a blush like this. I mean, it's a big blush, but the packaging is definitely nothing special. I want to start out with a swatch. Oh, it does seem like it has some good pigment to it. Oh, maybe not. I think it's supposed to be more of like a buildable blush, but I like the peachy pink coral tone type of blush. I've noticed that the red blushes I feel like just don't look as good on my skin tone, but this is the type of blush shade that I've been liking. So I'm really excited to see how it's gonna look on me. So I'm just taking a fluffy blush brush, tap off some of the excess, and we'll see how it is. Oh, whoa. That barely does anything. Okay. It really is buildable. Go in with some more. I mean, I tend to apply blush with a heavy hand, and I'm doing that, and it's still not showing up that much. Like, I have applied a lot to my cheek. I have 3 layers applied with a heavy hand. And you can definitely see it now. And it has a very matte finish, which looks a little bit drying on the skin actually. It's not super noticeable, but I get very picky with the texture of products on my skin. And it does look a little bit chalky dry. Kind of a bummer. I do like this shade though. It does kind of warm up the skin. It gives that flush of color, but in like more of a pretty way rather than that, this word is weird to use, but inflamed red, because I do have redness to my cheeks and I don't like my blush to look like the redness in my cheeks. Like this looks like pretty sun-kissed flush, so I like this shade. But yeah, you see when I just go ahead and apply one layer, I feel like it does nothing. I mean, it realistically probably does something, but I just like to wear so much blush that I'm like, what? I need more. I just feel like when I touch the brush to my cheek, it doesn't really apply much product. So I keep just going in with layer after layer. But after layering up a lot, you can see it, and it is pretty. I also like to take it over my nose a little bit, get more of that natural sun-kissed effect. Like same thing on this cheek. It's very matte and it's a dry matte. It is a baked formula, but I don't love how it's sitting on my skin and on top of my makeup. The thing about this is I like the color, so I do like how it looks, but I'm definitely not crazy about this. $29 is a crazy high price. You can get full face palettes of amazing products for that price or cheaper. So I would not say that you should spend $29 on this blush. It's fine, I'll use it because I like the color, but it barely has any pigment to it and it looks drying on the skin. So I feel like since it is so matte and dry, if someone has oilier skin, they might like this more. But since my skin definitely dries out in the cold weather, I'm not really looking for something to dry out my skin and mattify my skin anymore. But let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this and what your thoughts are on it. I'm kind of surprised that I don't love it. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.